Goko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Thutha wa Court of Appeal kweka mweneni Rigathi wa Gachagua na kuga maundu maria matuirwo ni High Court ni null and void. Rigathi wa Gachagua akiaria augite haha mbere he sawa na aronania tita hena shira, na shira uyu akiaria aronania ni ekuhota. Now, ladies and gentlemen, hena mahitia must go ekire, na mahitia macio nimo megutuma judges mamo punish na meko punish Ruto through case ino ya Rigathi wa Gachagua. Guys, ino video ya Rigathi wa Gachagua negumure itumi neki judiciary irenda ku punish Kasongo. Ndamuri gitokene muno mu subscribe thini wa channel ya Kikuyu podcast yo Gachagua akiaria
country. That is what I want to focus on. But the truth of the matter, and we must say, I, Rigathi Gachagua, have confidence and faith in our judicial process. And the framers of the 2010 Constitution created 4 levels of judicial intervention: the Magistrates Court, the High Court, the Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court. So that if you don't get justice in one of the levels of intervention, kama upati justice pale Magistrate Court, utapata High Court. Usipopata hapo utapata Court of Appeal, usipopata hapo Supreme Court. In those 4 courts, somehow we have judges of integrity who will be able to give justice not only to Rigathi Gachagua but to the people of Kenya. So hao mawakili wetu waendelee huko kotini, sisi tunaendelea kuunganisha watu wetu. Na mimi I want to assure you the people of Juja, hii maneno iko sawa. Hii uchaguzi inakuja iko sawa. Tuko hapo, si niko hapo, si Kalonzo wako hapo, si Eugene wako hapo, si Martha Karua wako hapo, si Matiang'i yako hapo. Sisi tutaketi. Si mimi niko, si niko, si munanijua, si mtu ananielewa vizuri. Sisi hatuwezi kosana. Sisi tutaketi tutoe mtu mmoja. Kama ni mimi nitatolewa, si mtu nitapeleka kama baisikeli ya kuibiwa.
So Rigathi wa Gachagua ninuona akiaria ni mundu uronania atiriri haha mbere he sawa, na augite uhoro ucio autigeire lawyers akelikana shira we igotini mundu ndaragia muno. Now, ladies and gentlemen, judiciary ne gukago punish must go, na very soon tota kuingira thini wa constitutional crisis. Katohota gwikora thini wa crisis niki shiroyo wa Rigathi wa Gachagua in one way or another girona judiciary ta egutua shiroyo in favor ya Rigathi wa Gachagua. Toro uguo tu magacoka mugiatiriri Kithure Kindiki wabici mugaru na watho na agirirwo kuyeheria kana ehere oficio tondu mugaru na watho tondu katiba ndiafuatirwo. Niki ndauga uguo, niki ndauga judiciary ne guka ku punish must go. Of late must go ni rakoretwo akihurana muno na judiciary. Story shode dana monera guku kwa Kikuyu podcast. Njamurehire story ya ati Martha Koome, sorry, not Martha Karua, but Martha Koome, Chief Justice na bench ya Chief Justice nimedaga kweherio ni regime eno eho ya must go. Medaga kweheria medaga kweheria judges a Supreme Court. Now, no mulikane higo Martha Koome radio security yake na magiko guothe ni kumufrustrate mamufrustrataga. From my point of view, there is the high time yao now kuonia must go uduma. No mulikane Lenaola akiaria na Lenaola Henod augire na kira jenzi ona mokire we fight for our rights. na Lenaura aririe muno against thirikari ino gwiciria ni uria judiciary itindikitwo. Now it's high time for them judiciary ino nayo yuke itindike must go. Toro uguo tu thiini wa githurano kia 2027 na niho riu must go aramakira muno niageretie go frustrate judges aya a Supreme Court. Nekuthiire tugikinya 2027 majority of these judges no magakorwo ho thiini wa Supreme Court. Ririkana ndageheria judges a Supreme Court uri ekwenda ekire aki katiba ya Kenya na constitution ya Kenya is against it. Ririkana judiciary is on its own. It's not under executive. Judiciary ni ruhonge rwirugamiriire ruo rwenyewe. Koguo andu amekuko kwa executive matingioka gutampa na judiciary. Must go ndangioka kuga ati ni kuruta jaji yu ekiryo. No, judiciary is independent na ni ruhonge independent. Koguo must go ndangioka go fix judges uri ekwenda thiini wa Supreme Court. Naho niki ni aramuria muno kiongo no thondeke maundu kuria kungi no haria Supreme Court cira wanatwaro kuria aya gakora kuria ni andu ageretie go frustrate. Now ndiugatiriri ni twikore thiini wa crisis no matwishira andu aya mauge Rigathi wa Gachagua arutirwo mugaru na watho na arutwo mugaru na watho mudre aikare gite kiu kindiki erwo ehere thiini wa office ya Office of Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua acoke ku tondu arutirwo mugaru na watho uria gutagereire na katiba diafuatirwo. Now what will happen? Kindiki agiro eheria thaici what will happen? Huko thiini wa crisis. Mundu witwo Gachagua erwo acoke. Toro uguo tu Gachagua ana shida case ino no agathitanga thirikari akamithitanga ni kumuruta mugaru na watho na no agabatara kana agathi kumithitanga igetha ekwo kindu gigwitwo compensation. Okay, koguo Gachagua ashida case ino no agathitanga thirikari na thirikari ino no ikamucompensate kila kindu ningi megatagati oroyo uratumire andu aya o ene methini wa thirikari mapanic nekero njina matekwaria thaici oroyo ukite ukahe Gachagua hinya muingi muno nekero na Gachagua mothe akeria auga he will fight till the end. So no mitume marethwa makarigwo so what next? Meshiragia hihi Supreme Court of Appeal meguka mauge uri High Court yaugire uguo niguo kuri but mauga no, it can't be and it will not be that way. So hapa mbele kuna maundu maingi muno tugucemania nao na twikore thiini wa constitutional crisis na twikore thiini wa maundu maingi muno but uguo niguo ikarite na maundu ma politics uguo niguo maikarite. Ladies and gentlemen, thiini wa conversation uje maoni manyu mariko ujira murona atia murago ikara atia na murona kurathi atia. Anyway, guku ni kwa Kikuyu Podcast. What's your take on this, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you. Gamatini kurathime.